Alrighty guys, if you're on YouTube, do not forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of this beautiful face and these amazing live streams that I do daily, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Let's get it going. Let's get the chat rolling. Let's get moving. Let's get the music. Let's go. I'm excited. Oh my God, that's loud. My ears. Alright, I'm trying something new with the YouTube. Let's give this a crack. Alright, we're gonna pop out the chat for YouTube. Can we make this? Can we do anything with this? No, see, I don't like that. I don't like how it doesn't pin. I've got to figure out how to, cause see how this stays. It locks in place or whatever. So what you trade in Forex currencies, but I don't like how this. There's got to be a way that I can like keep this here. I don't know how. I don't like that though. That annoys me. But whatever. We'll deal with it. How are you, Kanye East though? What's going on? Make sure you like the stream so you can end up here. Why is this so fucking loud? Alright, we're back. Monday. Do I see Jay has just trickled on in here? He did, and then he left. It's been a while since I've seen him. Alrighty, let's get stuck into it. What does TikTok have for us this week? 800 diamonds daily. Oh, I hate asking for gifts. So I'm probably not going to do that. One live match. We might be able to do both at once. 20 concurrent viewers, we'll get that. 5,000 minutes of views. If we have a big day, we'll get that. 1660 comments, we'll get that. 150k likes, we'll get that. Live on 4 days, easy. Live for 550 minutes, maybe. 800 diamonds. Oh God. 600 minutes of views. We should get those today. We should be right. Alrighty. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's Monday. People are going to be slow coming in. We just went live. Just bear with us. Bear with us. What's going on? Where is everyone? The fuck? Caffeination. Dean, what's going on? Scotty, the Kiwi. How is everything down in Kiwiville. I'm good. Monday. I actually genuinely love Mondays. How are you, Dean? Good morning. Good evening. What's the most you made in a year doing this? Yeah, I'm not going to say that, but millions and millions and billions and billions. Yeah, I can't say that though. A fair bit. I really want my pound CAD to take profit because we're in this 4 times. Let me get my little squiggly pen up. We're in this 4 times. We're in virtually no drawdown. I think we're in like 0.1% drawdown, but we got in this. Oh, it bugged out because there was a update on my VPS, so it bugged out a little bit, and it won't show us the exact entry points, but that's kind of annoying. So it was around here, 1, maybe 2, probably here, 3. Wait, we're in this 5 times, not 4. That'd be 4, and then 5 would be up here. Look how close we were to TP. Twice. Oh, fuck. Look how close we were to TP. Twice. Three times. So, thank you very much, The Forgotten. Hopefully we can get, obviously we're doing absolutely fuck all right now, but hopefully we get a little bit of push a bit later. I haven't checked the news for this week, so we'll do that shortly. We'll have a little look at what's coming up during the week. To be honest, I've started to like Mondays too. Fuck yeah, we love that. Chihuahua with the heart meat. Thank you very much. Thank you. What the fuck was that? I was actually shit. I was meant to fix my mic settings. Sienna 345 and Shay 34. Oh, we got a battle going on. Shay, thank you very much. Butchie Boy and Dell. Thank you very much for liking. How do we get this back up? So this is a fucking issue right now, to be honest, because my live chat for YouTube is not working on OBS. So I'm going to have to get that up. I'm not gonna lie, I really don't miss that sound. That's probably my most hated part of Mondays, is listening to that. Let's go pop out chat. What is this music? Guys, what the actual fuck? No. No. Nah, we're not doing none of that shit. Okay, that'll do. Skinny this up. Yep, okay, we're good. We're good to go. Ashwan and Jets Train Vlogs. Thank you guys very much for following. Hello, Sienna. How are you? Oh my fucking god. Chill Whale with a Go Popular, a Rose, a Community Fest, You're Awesome, Ice Cream Cone, GG, TikTok, love you so much, Heart Puff times 2, and Community Fest times 3. Bye. Thank you very, 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 very much, Chill Whale. I really appreciate that. And the Rabbit Drop Bear with the Rose. Guys, really appreciate the Monday love. And Sienna with the heart me. This is ridiculous. Give me 1 second. Let me catch up. Gabriel. Thank you very much for following me. Do you trade NQ? I used to. I'm not at the moment. I think I'm going to go back. I was thinking about that today. Hello, Kevin. How are you? I stopped for a second. All good. Yo, 5 days till I'm 18. Let's go. That's exciting. I'm excited for you. That's big. That is absolutely huge. I'm very excited. I am very, very excited. All right, let's fucking go. Shay, thank you for following. And Shay with the heart me. Rabbit drop air with the heart me. Guys, what is with this Monday love? I love it. I absolutely love it. We're rolling. Lucky I've got 5 years. Fucking hell. That's rough. Went back to gold from NQ. Had to recover my losses from Casino Open. What do you mean Casino Open? Was NQ fucked? Oh, Jesus. What the fuck? It's a big drop. I don't know what was happening there. I wasn't really paying too much attention on Friday late night. And I haven't looked at my charts like the majority of the weekend. Or at all. I only looked at them today, scanned over, made sure everything was all sweet now. Yes, guys, thank you so much for the gifts. Absolutely fucking insane. All right, we got this Japanese tribal music on again. I need to somehow remove that completely. A treasure box? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are we popping off instantly in this live on a Monday? Bro, thank you so much. Let's fucking go. So you know how the last live you had, I was saying I had to do a speech. Yes, I do remember. And Jack, thank you very much for following me. Let's go. Fuck yeah, let's go. I'm excited. I'm very excited for today and this week. I've bunch of stuff already today, and yeah, I feel good. I feel good. I feel really good. Zizzy, thank you very much for following me. Not really. I long the open and forgot I had auto stop loss set. Somehow came out. Oh, that's rough. That's rough. I don't know how that happens. Slippage, spread from the market reopening. Fucking hell, that's bad. You did the speech? How'd you go? Yes, I do remember that. You were all talking to each other about it, you and Megsy and shit. Yeah, I do remember that. I'll buy that for a $1. What are you buying? I cried, but I did it. Good job. Good job. I'm very proud. I hope you did well. If you're not tapping, get tapping. That's what I fucking thought. Get stuck into it. I think we need some upbeat music right now because I'm feeling good, you know? I feel very good. I think we need to get my boogie song on, but I'm not gonna boogie right now. Actually, we'll start with this and then we'll go from there. Smiley face. No, that's good. Did you think you did good job? Is this a demo? This account is. This is not my. This is just a. But this is not. That's just one. This is on my VPS. I don't do analysis on the VPS because it's fucking slow as shit. VPS is very slow. So that isn't, but this is because it's just a fucking. It's just a chart with everything on it, so I don't have to worry about anything on this thing. This has literally nothing on it, it's just the charts. Yes, I got told to stay back after class and I got told that my speech was really good. Fantastic, good job. And Bert Chop with the Heart Me and the Go Popular. Thank you very much, Bert Chop, for the daily Heart Me and Go Popular. I appreciate it a lot. And then if you haven't opened the treasure box, open the treasure box. Of course, we lost like the majority of the viewers, but that's okay. We got people in here. They came, they saw, they conquered, and they left. Shay with 1.9k likes, Sienna 1.3. Chill Wales just doing everything for me today. 600. The Rapid Drop Bear 200. Burt Chop 128. Lucas 100. Butchie Boy 92. Jet 5. Del 3. Thank you guys. What are you doing for your birthday, Lucas? If you're still in here. He's not. He's gone. What platform is this? MT4. Meta Trader 4. Sienna with the Go Popular and Birchop with 2 more Go Populars. We go on popular hopefully today. Hopefully. We will see. I really want these fucking notifications are annoying. Let me get rid of them. Access suspended. No suspensions this week, guys. We're going to be on our best behavior. You listen the fuck up. We're on our best behavior, okay? Okay. Chill out with the journey pass. Thank you. There we go. Were you on last night? Nah. No, I was thinking about it, but I just wanted a full relaxation day. Full relaxation day. And I did, and it was absolutely fucking fantastic. It was absolutely fantastic. Give us a Ty Lopez impersonation on selling a course. Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. Fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge. What got you into trade? Relaxing is good, so sleep, yeah. What got you into trading? I hated working for people. Like, essentially. I always had like the entrepreneurial mindset. So, yeah, got out of that. Yeah, you like that one? I think it was pretty good. Here in my garage. What up, Migsy? I'm good. How are you? What pair is this? This is a US dollar card, but we can look at anything. Happy to look at anything. Yes, please drop. If we can break out of here, that'd be nice, but I don't know if we will. See you later, Shay. Thank you very much for the likes. I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Dang with the heart me. Thank you very much. Guys, with the fucking gifts. I love it. EURUSD? We can have a look at EURUSD. Let me just make sure I haven't missed anything. Yeah, Migsy. 47 Hills in my Hollywood Hills account. It's been a day, but we good. That's good. That's good. Shay with the awesome. Look at the gifts coming. Absolutely pouring in. How do I get rid of this? I think I have to claim it. I don't know if there's. Guys, if you haven't opened. Oh, okay. It's empty now. Don't worry. How do I get out of this? Okay, whatever. Whoa, brother. Yeah, Sienna, you can mute this guy. Take a look at block. What's block? What's that? I don't know what that is, Chihuahua, but I can have a look at it. After Euro USD in a second, play the video. I might. It was good. I cried, but it was good. Thank you very much, Sienna. Today, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that a lot. Euro USD. Let's have a look. I see no entry for me in particular. I haven't checked fundamentals for this week yet, so I have to do that. I was going to do that in a second. But this is a hard one. Because on any given day, I would usually say it's a half decent short, but it could be a potential swing short. I don't see anything wrong with that. I'd have to check the fundamentals and see what's coming up this week and what we could potentially be doing. Birdshot with the tofu cat. Thank you very, 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 very much. What are you trading? Forex? Currencies? I've got a Discord chat. Yep, Discord's linked in my bio. I have a mentorship as well. That's the top one. Second one is the free Discord. Jump the fuck in. Let's keep tabs on who's fucking joining, so we can give them a nice warm welcome. We'll have a look. We'll have a look in a bit. So, yep, Discord's linked in my bio, and I'm gonna come back to that and give our new joiners. Wait, was that a fake account of me? Oh shit, not that. It is! Look at this slime bag. Who is he invited by? Okay. You can go. Oh, I'm gonna do it on my phone. I'll do it on my phone after. Fucking absolute slime bags. Oh well. What can you do? Today, thank you again. Go look in his bio. Yes, thank you, Sienna. What's the best app or software for trading currency? My personal recommendation is MetaTrader 4 and Black Bull Markets for my broker. How much have you made off day trading? A lot. I don't say the number for obvious reasons. If I didn't live in Australia, I probably would. What are you trading? Forex, Adam? Treasure box is still there. Is it? Is it all claimed? All gone? Yep. It's all gone, laddie. Oh, I missed this playlist. What's good? How are we all? Make sure you're liking the fucking stream. What would you say is the success rate of being a day trader? Extremely low. Extremely low. They say the statistics are between 70 to 95% of traders lose money. I think it's higher than 95% the majority of the time. But the statistics are the statistics. I think going forward, it's going to get a lot higher, considering the misinformation that's on the internet. So, yeah. It's very low. Very low. How's your weekend? My weekend was pretty good. I went away out in the middle of fucking nowhere for a bit. And yeah. It was good though. It was good. It was, the majority of it was pretty chill. How was everyone else's weekends? I want to know what everyone did. Now that some people have jumped on in. What was your initial starting investment? It was 20 grand in 2020. I don't know, 3.5 years ago. $2022. How'd you learn? I started on the internet, just like anybody else, looking it up, YouTube, all that shit. I got a few mentors, I paid for a few mentorships, paid for some courses and shit. Absolute garbage. Majority of them have no idea what the fuck they're talking about. And then I finally found a mentor a year and a half later. I just didn't stop. I just kept going. I found a mentor and learned a lot from him. And then 6 months after that, I went live. I was demo trading for 2 years. Loose money or lose money my weekend. That's not good, but hey, I'm first again. Good job. Have you lost more money than earned? Fuck no. No. Earned a lot more than I've lost. Heard of wealth. I wouldn't be doing this if I mean, actually, to be fair, the majority of people that are on this shit have no success in this. They just fucking do it for some course, some PDF file that they fucking created that's just copied off someone else. So I don't blame you for that question, but no. I've definitely made more than I've lost. I barely ever take losses. Heard of Wealth Within? No, I have not, but I'm happy to look it up. Have a look. Wealth Within. I think I have actually heard of this, yes. I think I have heard of this. I think somebody else came in here and asked about. It was either this or something very similar. My Comic Gods, thank you very much for following me. I keep getting blinded by the Fair King's luminescent fair skin when I enter this live. Love it. Thank you very much. Welcome back. It's good to see you again. Demo traded for 2 years, committed. Yeah, well, I mean, right? It's actually like when I first started this. See you later, Sienna. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for the likes and everything. I appreciate that. And the gifts. I very much appreciate the gifts. You know, you don't need to do that. So thank you very much. And you have a good rest of your evening. And I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I don't get many people comment on this, but when I first started doing the social media stuff, which wasn't long ago, it was a couple of months ago, a lot of people were like, what the fuck? You demo traded for 2 years? That's fucking nuts and I haven't heard that for a while. So yeah. But that's something that I said to myself when I first started trading. It was, I need to stick with this regardless. I don't care. I'm just going to stick with something because there was a lot of things that I started and failed. There were some things that I didn't fail at, however, weren't long-term commitments in terms of making money, but that this, you know, my other failed endeavors were most likely just because I didn't stick with them. You know, if I stuck with them, maybe I'd be in a completely different place right now. So yeah, I just knew that I needed to stick with something and I'll make it work, make a trade. Do you come in here every day and say that? Someone does. I don't just make trades. Do you know what ad making is like in Meta? No, I don't. Ad making. Are you talking about Facebook and shit? My Comic Gods, thank you again for following me. Do you trade the ASX or New York Stock Exchange? I used to trade New York. I used to trade the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones, but I stopped that a couple of months ago for various reasons. I wasn't liking, I would trade a version of the opening range breakout. So at market open, usually goes either up, down, or sideways. So it's basically 30% of the time it goes up, 30% of the time it goes down, and 30% of the time it goes sideways. So I would take a break from the open, but it was very time consuming. And now that I'm doing all this fucking social media stuff and have the mentorship and the free community, which I help out a shitload of people, I just don't have time to be staring at my charts like that at the moment. But I might get into it. It would probably be more entertaining for the majority of people, because the way that I trade now is a lot slower. Do you have any book recommendations? Is this it? Is this it? Yeah, 48. The 48 Laws of Power. It's not trading related, but it's good. Damn, it's the world's most attractive day trader. Damn, it's the most attractive tax man. Welcome, welcome. It's good to see you again. What's been happening? You know what I think we need? Bro, how many viewers do you reckon we can get in here if we just start acting like psychopaths? What do you reckon? Do you reckon people will join? And then, oh my God, chat, oh my God, oh my God. Next galaxy gets pinned. Oh my God, next galaxy gets pinned. Next galaxy gets pinned. Oh my God, chat, next galaxy is gonna get pinned in front of 5,000 people. Next galaxy gets pinned in front of 5,000 people. Oh my God, chat. Oh my God, chat. Oh my God. Oh my God, chat. Oh my God. Oh my God, chat. No way. A donut. Oh my God. Chewels with the donut. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just made $1 million on the stock exchange. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Chat. Okay, everyone's leaving. Ow! Fuck. Oh my. Hold the fuck up. Oh my God, that was loud. Yeah, we literally lost like whatever viewers we had because TikTok fucking hates me now. Anyway, what's good, everyone? Texas baby 45. Howdy, partner. How much should I invest in right now? I don't know. Do you know what you're doing? What's that flashing things out the window? No idea. Nah, it's my it's a light stick. Oh, dude, my eyes. Let's go. Is that better? Music? Can you guys hear it and shit? Okay, I think I forgot for 1 second the fact that the tax man sent me a budding heart. I think what happened was he blew my fucking eardrums out and it scrambled my brain. But holy shit, how did I forget about that? Sorry, Mr. Taxman. Sorry. Jeez, that's terrible of me. I'm not some pretentious streamer who doesn't care about his audience. Thank you very, 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 very much for that. It does mean a shitload to me. I was just like ultra distracted for a second. Look at that shit. Are you kidding me? B, what's good? And then 2 level up sparks. Like, what the actual fuck? Are you feeling okay? That's a lot. You did not need to do that. Did I just fuck up my hair too? Wait, which way does it go? Yeah, don't say shit about my hair. It's fucked. No, wrong way. Oh, God. There's a reason I have a hat on. I'm getting old, guys, okay? Leave me the fuck alone. Okay. Give me 2 secs and I'll catch up. Again, thank you very, very much for that, Taxman. My secondment is done. I ended up doing 6 days a week, but I made good cash money. Fuck yeah. How do I start as a teen? You don't really. How old are you? Nice one. How much is invest right now? Texas baby, thank you. You gave me epilepsy. Sorry, Sarah. I'm back. What the hell is happening? I don't know. What are you talking about? Sean Orbit, everything you have, I'm putting Jesus. Hey, man. B, welcome back. How are you feeling? It's massive lightsaber. Yeah. Yo, check VRT, please. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Is that a stock? VRTX? Is that what you're talking about? It's all good. Love you, father. Yeah, sorry about that. I actually feel like it. Any trusted courses? Yes. Join my mentorship. That's why I created it. Because there is no trustworthy fucking courses. How girthy is it, brother? Thoughts on No News Monday? I haven't actually looked. I'm meant to look. Any stocks you got your eyes on? Nah, I don't do stocks. BTTM. Motherfucker comes into my chat and says that someone else's shit's the only one. The fuck? Yeah, I have a mentorship. It's more one-on-one. It's not really a course. I mean, there is course material. I just dropped the 2.5 hour trading masterclass. It was like 2 hours, 40 minutes. Me. We got lots of material in here. But yeah, I just dropped the masterclass, which was 2 hours, 39 minutes. So go get in the fucking mentorship and go watch it. And then get in a one-on-one call with me because they're free. Okay, news. Yes, news. China news today, which means nothing. Prelim CPI, whatever. Tuesday, we got Bailey, and then I don't even know how to pronounce her name. N. Powell, all at 11:30. And Lagarde, what the fuck is happening? Okay. I didn't know about this. That will probably be significant. Okay. Well, we have that tomorrow night. Manufacturing PMI, JOLTS, non-farm. Oh, Jesus. Okay. CPI for the Swiss. Probably won't do anything. Maybe a slight increase. Potentially. Might hit 0.2. Earnings, non-farm, unemployment. Shit. Non-farm week. We trading NFP? Fuck yeah, we are. I don't think anything significant has been said today. Otherwise, I probably would have heard about it. Yeah, nothing. Slow Monday, ladies and gentlemen. Can you guys hear the music all right? Or is that a bit better? I don't know what that is. Shattered. I watched to watch it today. Wanted to watch it today. My lazy day was not so lazy. That's not good. There's plenty in there. You got all the time in the world to watch it. You're all good. Ooh, I'm an idiot. Mr. Taxman, that's fucking nuts. You said that much. Crazy. You wanted to. Okay, yeah. No, it's alright. It's not essential. You're not live yet, so it's all good. Actually, I doubt he'll be in here, but there's someone in the mentorship that sent me a really nice message today. I'm going to read this out. Because this made me smile. Sup, Tom? Hope you're well. I've been on uni break and I've been looking at all your videos. Was a nice treat having your masterclass video come out. I've been listening to it on the way to and from work, just trying to absorb everything. I just wanted to say I appreciate the time and effort that went into it. You're so knowledgeable and the sky's the limit for you. Happy Monday. That right there is the reason why I do this stuff. I like it. Makes me very happy. Hey, does anyone want to give me 27.3 Gs to fix my budgeting problems because the old boss is done? Yeah, no worries. Send over your bank details. No, it's not gold. Buy gold, it will move up. I don't particularly have any interest in gold, to be completely honest. I just don't. It's not particularly my cup of tea. It's not a bad long-term investment from previous price data. You know, you did have quite a significant stagnation period for, what's that, 4 years. But then, who cares? That doesn't mean shit compared to this. But yeah, gold, I don't know, people are just gold crazy. Thank you very much for following me, H. I appreciate that. Thanks, Dad. You would say, all good. What is this? Forex. Just, what do you want to look at? H followed. I'm currently keeping my eyes on this pound CAD that I'm in. And I think I'm going to adjust my TP literally just a few ticks up because it's sitting straight at yesterday's low. We went to yesterday's low the last 2 days, Friday and Thursday. Just missed it. Just missed it. Honestly, it would have been the spread that got me on both of the... on this one, it would have been a slight spread that got me. And the other one was just a bee's dick away from hitting it. So that's annoying. Maybe we can get back down to these lows and test them, but I might just chuck them up a little bit. It's not gonna yield much, but it's better than sitting in it for ages. Hey, quick question. I want to start trading, however, which is the best strategy to learn for Forex? Should I learn ICT? Most likely not, because the guy who, like, ICT is a fraud. So I probably wouldn't learn any strategies from a fraud. You can learn my strategy. My strategy is fantastic. Just Shim? Join my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. I have a mentorship if you want to learn everything. Can you get my bot? Because I prefer automation and trading, so I don't have to fucking stare at the charts 24/7. But yeah. If you have any questions, message me on Discord and we can talk about it further, or pop it in the chat. I need to start getting more people over to YouTube because TikTok hates me. And then if I get enough people over at YouTube, I can actually be more normal, which I think you guys would probably not be like, you'd be like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? Because I am like censored on TikTok. Fast Yaris GR. GR Yaris, I actually love them, they're sick. They're mad cars. I'm in buy right now, nice. I made a new demo, 1 hour, 5 minutes, seeing how that goes, but had 2 trades already on. One's still going on it, one's still going. Yeah, it's all right. They do hate you. Yeah, it's absolutely fucked. It's so bad. Like, it's so bad. I literally can't do anything. So, yeah. I need to start getting people over to YouTube, which is something that I was going to do. I was going to change this to YouTube. Just put my YouTube. And then go from there. Every other trading stream gets like over 200 views. Yeah, I know, it's fucking, trust me, it makes me so mad. It makes me so mad. Because it's not, like, if anything, I'm probably more entertaining than these other people. It's just I don't get promoted. They do not fucking promote me. They don't push me to anyone. They did for about 2 weeks, and it was fan-fucking-tastic. It was so good. We had like, I got like 1,000 followers in that time, and fucking, we probably had like 70 people join the Discord, and shit started to pop off, and then they suspended me for gambling, and then just dropped my views completely. We were averaging like, so our total viewers right now, the amount of people that have come into the stream is 719, right? We were averaging like 7,000 in 2 hours of people coming through, right? 6,000 to 7,000 compared to, so 10, I mean, granted, my streams go for 2 hours, but let's just say it was like 1.4K views. Let's just say we double our views before I end the live. Like 1.4 compared to 6,000-7,000 is a big fucking difference. It's just bullshit. Like, it's actual bullshit. It makes me so fucking mad. And like, I don't know what the fuck to do. I actually have no idea what to do. Make a new account. Yeah, I could do that. I have another account. Let's go. I did see your message. I haven't read your message yet. Yeah, that was like a few minutes before I went live. So I didn't read it. So I'll read it after. I'll have a look. Hope everything is all good. What is that drink? The best drink on the planet. It is an energy drink, yeah. It's like White Monster, but the Aldi version, and it's so good. It's like a little bit more citrusy, and it's like, suckle it down. Oh, God damn it. Can we get out of this fucking... What the hell is even this? Like, what the actual hell is even this? That's literally the pound during London session. Disgusting. All good, bro. Easy. Energy, yeah, you drink that every day. Yeah, I drink 2 of these and then 1 small energy drink, like a small Red Bull or fucking whatever. No sugar, I fucking hate sugar drinks. Griffo, thank you very much for following. W, thank you. I used to have 3, or I would have 2 of these and then 3 small cans, but I had to drop it down because I was getting a bit fucking ridiculous. Training a full-time job, yeah. That and running my communities and the mentorship and stuff now, which to be completely honest, I would way rather just do the community shit than trade for like, I've been doing this for so long. I'd way rather do that for fucking 6 months, just teach and then just come back. What type of monitor do you have and how many? I have 2. I have a 3rd one that I wanted to do up here, like above this shit for the chat, but I don't have a, like, I bought a monitor arm, but it just doesn't go above it. So I don't know how the fuck to get it above. But I have 2. I have like an Acer 32 inch curved 1440 165 hertz. Fucking I don't know. And then I got a 27 inch Philips. Fuck, couldn't tell you what the fuck it even is. Having too many screens is so unnecessary. Like, you see people with like 10 screens, it's like, brother, come on. I just started. What's the best thing to trade in your opinion? Well, in my opinion, it depends on your strategy, but I like Forex, and you can swing trade Forex, and Forex is fantastic to swing trade, which is kind of what I do. I'm in between day and swing. And yeah, you've got so much price action to go off, so much data to go off, so much information, although a lot of the information's garbage. So in my opinion, Forex. And there's plenty of pairs that you can trade too, you know. If you want like the most safe and secure, I'd probably say Forex. Would love to learn. Fantastic. Well, you just found the best person you could possibly learn from, and we have the same name. I got a Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Let's see how many people joined today. I don't think very many because our viewers are fucked, but yeah, literally not a single person's joined yet. What the hell is even that, guys? Come on, get in the fucking Discord. Although our viewers are absolutely cooked. TikTok fucking hates me. Thank you for following me too. Yeah, get a 32 inch monitor. Do you just use a bot? Yeah, 70% of my trading's done via a bot. Removes a lot of emotion. Sad Hatter, sorry for being here. What do you mean by that? Are you okay? Do you have any of those flares that literally... That's what I'm trying to do right now. Holy shit. Are you kidding me? Nowhere? Nowhere? What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Thank you very much for sending a fucking mini star. What the actual fuck? That really hurt my ears, but thank you, like, so much. I really appreciate it. Wow. What the fuck? Thank you. Mick, thank you very much. Damn. That was very kind of you. I'm up $66 today. Just started trading in the last couple of weeks. Any advice? Stop trading live if you've only been trading for a couple of weeks and go to demo 100%, and stop listening to all the bullshit that you see online and join the fucking mentorship. If you want to learn Forex, brother, it's the best place to be. It's all I do and all I've done for 3.5 years. And I did do indices for a while. And I just launched a masterclass. 2 hour, 40-minute video on Forex. And you need to learn fundamentals. I got a fundamentals video in the mentorship too. I'm really plugging it today. That's disgusting of me. What up, Apple user? You changed your username, or is this just a different account? Stay consistent. Yep, consistency is key. Mick and MS109. Thank you guys very much for following me. How profitable is the bot? It depends on the settings you run, but it is very profitable. It does well. So it depends what you trade it on. Like, there's so many different pairs that you can trade it on, and that's kind of hard to answer. How profitable is it? It depends on the day, week, month, year. But so I currently run it on 18 different pairs, and I average around 7.5% a month. At the moment, I'm sitting on 8.9%. So, yeah. Can you grab the camera for a Lamar Jackson edit? You gotta be kidding me. How is it detected inactivity? How is it detected inactivity? Those GU shorts look like they're finally coming around. Did you get filled in again at the top? I'll have a look. I don't know, to be honest. I'm in pound CAD. Yeah. So the VPS had to do an update. So I don't actually know where my entry is. I have no idea where my entry is, but somewhere up here. I guess Thursday. Oh, that's hourly. Thursday at some point, maybe Friday. Came back down. Not much. We're just kind of flip-flopping around. I would like to get out of that. I don't know if I particularly will, but the pound CAD I want to get out of more, which we're just making out with my break-even level, and we tongued my TP 3 times actually, but the spread would have been insane here, so I'm not too worried about that. 3 times we stuck our tongue down my TP's throat. So I might pop this one up just a tad, even though I'll sacrifice some profits. It just gets me out and saves me for more days and swap fees. So, yeah. How old were you when you first got into day trading, and did you go to college or uni? I did not go to college or uni. Absolutely not. How old was I? It was 5.5 years ago. I'm 26, almost 27, so 20, 21. Could have got a long way to retrace fully in your position. Ah, not worried. That's not that big of a move, to be honest. It's just today's fucking, the past couple of days have just been sideways. Coming back down here, we got lots of room down here, so depending on fundamentals, see which way they drive the market. Hey man, Jaden, thank you guys very much for following me. Quintin G. Oh, thank you for the likes. What the fuck? The likes on YouTube. I appreciate that. That's pretty cool. I don't get many viewers on YouTube, so thank you. Thank you, thank you. On my time frame, Friday, 2 p.m. GMT, shorts on GU, cooked up like 4.5% for me. Fucking hell. That sounds over leveraged. 4.5%. Fucking hell. TP 105, 650. Why do you say that? Random. Oh, I guess of these lows, yeah. Oh no, that's 106. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, I don't understand why. Fair enough, but I don't day trade Bitcoin. And I don't think anyone should. Which pair do you trade? I trade 18 different pairs. So, a few. Anything pound, CAD, Aussie dollar. Fuck, I did that in terrible order. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, pound, euro, US dollar, CAD, Swiss, yen. However, all Swisses and yens are turned off except for pound, Swiss, and US dollar, yen. Any of those crosses. Oh. Oh. Sorry, I think I just heard a joke that I've heard 6,000 times. What's up with Goldie? Quintine, sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. I don't particularly trade gold. So, I don't know. I got absolutely fucking no clue. I only do currencies. As I'm just, actually, you're probably hearing now. Yeah, I only do those currency pairs. I don't trade anything else. I was trading indices for a while, but I cut that out to focus on the mentorship and the free Discord. All the people in there. Just use 1% risk and then hit a 3RR split partial 50%, then let the rest fly down to 6R final TP. That's not the worst. Not the worst. What's our followers at? I want to get to 4,000 followers. We got a couple hundred to go. If TikTok promotes me, maybe we can get to 4,000 by the end of the week. That'd be kind of sick. That would be kind of sick. Because 104, 590 at the moment by when it dropped to 90k. Okay. Righto. Fair enough. No, well, I don't intraday trade. Fuck. Now I gotta check how pretty I am again. That's not gonna do anything. I don't know why I'm staring down there. Like an idiot! Whatever, I don't really care. All right, we got 669 diamonds. I hate TikTok's shit. No, well, we still got an hour. Belay. It is Will Gibb. What's good? Just add a link tree and TikTok will probably just gift you 100,000 followers. I do have a fucking link tree. You know what I'm going to do tonight? I think I'm going to do like a fucking 3-hour stream. I think I'm going to do a big stream tonight. Let's have a look at the likes. Meeksy, of course, is up the top with 3 Alchemy. Enchewell, God, you guys are fucking pumping it tonight. Meeksy with 5.3. We're at 34,000 likes? What the fuck? 5.3 for Meeksy, 3 Alchemy's got 5k, Chill Whale 4.7, Sienna 4,000, that's good effort from Sienna. Shay 2.4, Birchop 1.3, Taxman 600, Butchie 400, and Fair King 300. You guys are fucking going nuts. Thank you, I appreciate. This is a good thing, right? About having like a nice, loyal, I don't even know what to call you guys. audience is even when we're doing shit because TikTok fucking hates me, we still get the likes, we still get the fucking, like, people gifting and showing support and stuff, even when we're doing absolutely fucking horribly. Like, I love this. I love you. It's amazing. Oh, guess the model's broken time. Oh, guess the model's broken. Time to switch strats. Well, what do we do then? Hey bro, what do you trade? Forex? Currencies? I swear to God, if we don't have a single fucking person. My Discord's linked in my bio, if you forgot. Maybe it's the turtleneck. See, how long you been doing it? Almost 5 years. I really want to get into it. Is Discord free? Yes, I have a free Discord. I have a mentorship as well, which is obviously not free. But yeah, I got a free Discord, and you can come chat to me and whatever. I don't do one-on-ones with people in the free Discord, but yeah, come have a chat. Come talk some shit. We need restructuring in the Discord, which I've actually started to do. I don't know if anyone's noticed, because I did that just before I went live, but I did start to restructure the Discord. If the link tree didn't work, time to watch ICT. He'll give you TikTok followers, I promise. You know what I'd rather do? I'm really high up. Quarter short on Aussie dollar, US dollar. Nice, nice. Oh. Did you catch that short? Nice little blip. You know what's funny? Who was in here for the orange guy? Was anyone in here for the orange guy? You know what's fucked? Oh, what up, Speedy? You know what's fucked? But ICT's the best. Oh my God, sorry. That's funny. Yeah, okay, yeah, Migsy. So, you know what's weird? Was that... King Julian, thank you very much. That stream is my most watched stream, which is kind of funny. Like, on YouTube. It was my most watched stream. It had like fucking... like 500 people fucking watched it. I was like, what the fuck? Why? Oh, we got the flare going. Fuck yeah. Difference between day trading and Forex. So day trading is the act of trading intraday. So usually what day trading is let's say this is, okay, this is a 5-minute chart. So this is all Monday, right? So we're trading intraday movements for a profit. That's just what day trading is, right? I'm in between day and swing because I do hold my trades for sometimes multiple days, sometimes weeks, very rarely months, but it does happen. But sometimes I can be in and out within the day, right? So if we get a big push down, retracement, I get in, up, and we're out, done. I like my little dollar signs. That's what day trading is. Forex is the financial exchange markets. That is the instrument that you trade. So that is usually currencies. So like Euro, the most popular one, Euro, USD. And then you have other ones, like, fuck, we got 1 million. So they can be, oh God, not that. Japanese yen, Swiss franc, Aussie dollar, and these cross with each other. So it's Japanese yen, Aussie dollar. It's actually Aussie dollar yen, but is it? It is, right? Yeah, Aussie dollar yen. Fucking hell. So yeah, they are different, but similar, you could say. It's all a part of the same thing, but they're not the same. What do you mainly trade for Forex? And do you think it's more beginner friendly than futures? I trade CFDs, I don't trade futures. What do you mainly trade for Forex? Just currencies. That's what you're talking about. I trade 18 different pairs. More beginner friendly than futures? Probably, because futures, you have to be in and out in a certain time period, and the act of day trading to scalping for beginners probably not the best, as your emotions are a lot more heightened when you're doing those sorts of things, and you wouldn't be looking at taking swings on futures because they expire. Your contracts expire. So I think CFD is probably more beginner friendly. Need more of that? Yeah. If you hold it, does it make you gain more profit because it can go up and up and up? I wouldn't suggest that all the time. There are specific trades that you can do that. However, like, you can implement trailing stops. So stops that will trail your current price, right? So let's say we're in profit, and we chuck in a trailing stop here, and we can let that run, and the stop will run with it, right? But there's also problems of it just coming straight back down, taking your stop out, and you don't make as much. So, I mean, trailing stops are good, and I would use trailing stops during indices, trading indices. Fucking hell, I need more caffeine. Trading indices, but I just don't really do that now. I also have a setting in my expert advisor that you can use trailing stops too. But sometimes it can, yeah. In MMA terms, day trading is a sport and Forex is an elbow. Forex is the fighter. Forex is the fighter. And day trading is a sport. Yeah. Day trading is a sport. Forex is the fighter. I like that. You look like an extra from a G.A. Stagg film. Oh. Good thing I didn't say that, because I'd probably get suspended. That's kind of strange. Thank you. What's the most money you made, and what did you do to achieve it? It was on a US dollar yen trade. In 2023, November 2023. Here, on a fun account. Hello, Kenneth. How are you? Khan. I don't want to spoil it for other people, but I don't really care. What's CFDs? Contracts for difference. Just Google it. I mean, I'm in a max one session at a time, so it's all dependent on leverage. Like, you can definitely scalp FX. I'm in a max one session at a time, so it's all dependent on leverage. Like, you can definitely scalp FX. Scalping Forex scalping anything is incredibly difficult. Incredibly difficult, and the majority of people long term will fail at it. What platforms do you use for everything? Funded, personal, brokers, etc. My broker is Black Bull Markets. Funded, I don't want to promote anyone because I don't think I have a funded account, but I don't want to promote them. I don't promote any funded shit. Unless someone, actually, no, I wouldn't even do that. I was going to say, unless someone paid me a shitload of money, I would, but no. I think funded accounts are to be steered, cleared from for the majority of new traders. I am thinking about, because the funded industry, everyone wants to get funded, and I've been thinking about looking at funded approaches in terms of trading methods that we can extract a decent chunk of money from. So I've been thinking about that. But I don't know. I don't know yet. Personal, so I use Black Bull Markets for my broker. And personal, I don't know what you mean by personal. Like my live accounts with Black Bull Markets. I have another account for storage with a different broker, but that's, I'm not even going to explain that. And I use MetaTrader 4. What platform's best for funded CFDs? As I said, I'm not talking about, as a beginner, you shouldn't even be looking at funded accounts. What are you trading right now, G? I'm in a few trades. I don't know every single one because I've been taking profit a fair bit. So I'd have to go through every single one. Aussie dollar CAD we're in 2 shorts. The other annoying thing is because I had to restart the VPS, it doesn't show my entries now, so I don't know exactly where my entries were. I could go back through and look at fucking exactly the time and everything, but it usually has our little arrow showing our entries. Kai, thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. And Yaran Doyle, thank you very much for following me. Ace of Spade, thank you very much for following me. Thank you guys, I appreciate that. So Aussie dollar CAD, we're just going sideways and fucking everything. It's actual bullshit, but you know, sometimes that happens. Aussie dollar US dollar, the exact same fucking thing. Not in that, not in that, not in that. I won't be in any of those. Euro CAD, all fucking CAD pairs. I'm happy with that. I don't need to do anything with that. Not that. Nope. Nope. And then I think it's just, yeah, Euro USD. Exact same thing happening with pretty much everything. Pound odd, it's literally the exact same. I got nothing to fucking do. Euro Swiss. Oh, sorry, Pound Swiss. The only Swiss pair I'm in. We had our breakdown. Got in long. I'm actually going to change that right now because we just got in that. I didn't see that. I'm going to pop this up to, that's fucking nothing. Whatever. I'll take that. So that'll be hopefully just a quick in and out. We had a break out of here. Hopefully just a quick in and out. I won't need to scale into that position. And then up to last week's low for TP. Pound US dollar. New Zealand dollar CAD. Fucking sideways. Everything looks exactly the fucking same. So we're just waiting for some movement. New Zealand dollar US dollar. It's going to look exactly the same. Sideways. Not in that. Not on that, and I don't think I'm in US dollar yen. No. The pound card I want to get out of. That's the most exposure I have, and we're literally chilling at my break even. We only need a tiny little push to get to take profit. Banking dollars. But lots of sideways right now, and that's okay. We just gotta... Wait, which way's my hair going? That way. We just gotta wait. Look at the likes on YouTube. Fuck yeah. Thank you guys very much on YouTube. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I go live every day at 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Holy shit. All right, I gotta catch up, guys. Give me 1 second, because I read every single comment on here. I switched to future. Oh, fucking hell. Meaning for people getting into day trading, I wanted to switch to futures, but no point of... Yeah. Where's the fib? I sometimes use fib. Franco, thank you very much for following me. So is this your live account? You know, yes. Time frame, I use 5 minutes for my entry, my lower time frame entry, and an hour for high time frame bias. Also, what's the difference between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5? There's a few positives to MetaTrader 5, but developing a bot on MetaTrader 5 sucks, and every time they come out with a new fucking update, it's broken. So I just use MetaTrader 4. Is it true that cryptocurrencies are a whole lot more volatile than NASDAQ? Probably. Crypto's just fucked. Any suggested strategies for prop trading, preferably for beginners? I don't know. Opening range breakout. Uran Doyle, thank you very much. 5 just has more different features. Yeah, it's got more and different, but it's buggy as shit. I don't like that. Ace of Spades, again, thank you. Any suggested strategy? Oh, yep. Thoughts on London kill zone strategy? I don't even know what that is. What do you reckon the volume of banks to retail is it now with all the funded? Surely can't be 95 to 5. What do you think? Banks to retail. Volume of banks to retail. Probably. Yeah. You know, funded accounts are just demo accounts. They're not actually real accounts. That wouldn't adjust the volume at all. It's all demo. Props all demo. I've always wanted to do this, but I don't have the right equipment for this. I use Stale and Moo. I don't know what that is. Ace of Spades. All you need is a laptop. You can't do it on your phone. Don't listen to people say you can do it on their phone. They're full of shit. But if you have a laptop, you can. But it don't do much for me. I don't know what Stale and Moo is. So would you start on 4 or 5? 4. Oh, you're talking to Sarah. Cryptocurrencies is the only thing that'll make you a millionaire from $10,000 in 2 months because of its volatility, right? Probably, yeah. But that doesn't mean that that will happen. Like, the chances of that, bro, you're better off. You've probably got more chance of chucking fucking $10,000 into fucking scratchies. And you should just okay, I answered that before. There's MT5, I like it better. Fair enough, if you like it better, go for it. Okay, cool. All this is so complicated. Get in the Discord! The Discord is linked in my bio! Bro, your likes are popping? Yeah, I know. We're almost at 50K. Thank you guys very much. We'll go through the likes in a second. What information do you need to predict volatility of a stock before the market opens? I don't trade stocks at all. I don't know if there is a way to do that, but yeah, I got fucking no clue. Tom, what pairs do you focus on throughout the day? Do you mainly focus during the night? I don't particularly, I can kind of look at it whenever I want, really. I just pay attention, like I always have these open, and I just pay attention to what news is coming out, who's saying what, and I just have the news events for the week that are going to affect the currencies, just the medium and high impact news events. And if something like that's happening, I'll jump on the charts and have a look. But for my strategy, because it is more looking at the bigger picture, you could say it's more looking at the bigger picture, not the bigger picture, but it's kind of like in between. I don't have to stare at the charts. That's what this is for. You can have a full-time job and trade, and it does it automatically because of the bot that I developed. So, but for what I do focus on, and there's 18 different pairs. We'll also be following on YouTube. Nice. What are you trading at the moment? Like in terms of what? Forex, currencies. If you wanted to see my positions, go on to YouTube and then watch it back. Meaning with people having live fundeds with access to large capital, whereas before it was only live accounts. No. Funded accounts are all demo. They're demo accounts. After what happened with my Forex fund, so there was a prop firm called My Forex Funds, and they got busted for, I can't remember what it was. I can't remember exactly what it was, but after that, there were these regulations and shit that came out, and fucking a bunch of prop firms got busted for something. I can't even remember what it was. And then now they all have to disclaim that it's all simulated funds. So it's all fake money. It's not real money. It's all fake. So just be aware that it's fake. This 80-20 profit split is just so you don't take more money from them. The spreads is so you lose. Their rules are so you lose. They don't give two fucks about you winning. They want you to lose, and they want you to buy more challenges because that's the only way they actually make money. There's no live fucking prop firms. There might be maybe a few. Maybe. Very highly doubt that there's many anymore, but there might be a few. And originally prop desks, and there are still some out there that are legitimate prop desks, which are you go into a firm and you trade with their capital, right? It's not what it used to be like. It's all just demo, and it's all just Dubai fucking millionaires and fucking sketchy people that base these prop firms out of places like the Bahamas or like the fucking Bermuda or the Seychelles, and they have these prop firms that on paper are businesses in these fucking places, but they're not. They're just it's all bullshit, and they just rake in the money from millions of people trying to do these prop challenges, and that's how they pay out their successful clientele. But the thing is they make the rules so difficult that they know that long term you will fail prop. It's how the industry works. I'm getting so many likes on Adash. Thank you very much for the likes if that's you, and hello, how are you? Adri, hello, how are you? On YouTube. Make sure you're subscribed. Do you trade options? No, CFDs only. Muhaj, thank you very much for following me. Is quarterly income the biggest indicator of a stock performance? I don't trade stocks. I have fucking no idea. Probably. Yeah. I don't know. I've got absolutely nothing to do with stocks. Void FNC, thank you very much for following me. How much cash do you trade with at any given time? 100, 500, 1,000? How much cash? Well, that's, I mean, I don't tell people my account size, but a lot more than that. And my individual trades, so I scale into my positions, right? So let's say we have this extension, We have a little bit of a retracement. My bot will get me in. Oh, we've continued to go down. We've got enough of an extension. I'll get in again, right? My break even goes to here. I'd be out of profit. I'd be, let's say TP's here. I'd be out, done, cash. That's meant to be a tick. Cash, right? My initial entry is 0.25% of my account. That's my initial trade. And then every subsequent trade after that is 1.3x the lot size of this. So it's 1.3x 0.25% of my account. Whatever the fuck that is. Juicy Fits, thank you very much for following me. Trade crypto? Nah. Have you seen the FTMO offices? It's just a closed building with a dog that guards it. Yeah, well, FTMO is different. Obviously, they're the biggest prop firm. They're a bit different. Made any trades today? No. But I'm in trades. What are you trading? Forex? Can you explain trade in layman's terms? I don't know what layman's terms is. Why have I heard that before? Why have I heard that before? Oh. That's why I know it. Yeah, sorry. So, okay, as simple as possible. So you have an asset, right? Let's just say our asset or our instrument is US dollar yen for this instant. You can speculate on whether the market will go up or down. People base strategies off of previous price data, as a lot of the time in trading, history repeats itself and the same patterns and everything play out consistently. So people base strategies off of previous price action, which is previous price movements, and you can either buy or sell in hopes that it's going to go up or down based on your methodology, which is usually based off of previous price action that's happened multiple times in a row. I think that's probably the easiest way that I could explain it. Trouble and Tesla, thank you guys very much for following me. Hey, just curious, as an Aussie, is it possible to pay yourself an income and pay less tax? Pay yourself an income and pay less tax, or are there other ways around paying you? Yeah, get an accountant. Get an accountant or move countries. I'm not saying shit about that. You're like asking about. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I don't talk really. People ask me tax questions. I don't answer them. I say get an accountant. Google alphabet chart, please, and NVIDIA. I'll try and remember that. Maybe say it again. I'm just gonna get through all these. Simple for so if I was to enter a trade, a good risk to reward ratio is 0.25. Then try TP at 1.3% of that. Wait, what? Faraway Tree and Kaz, thank you very much for following me. So if I was to enter a trade, a good risk ratio is 0.25%, then try and TP at 1.3%. I mean, it depends on your strategy. That doesn't particularly make too much sense. But what I do is I scale in at 1.3x multiplier. So let's just say 0.25% of my account is equal to 1 lot, right? So 1 lot is 0.25% of my account. If we continue down, I enter in another position at, let's say, 1.3 lots. And then that means, so my break-even level is here, and then my break-even level comes down to here. So we only need a smaller pullback to get out with profit. And by utilizing only 0.25% risk in my account, I'm not putting myself in too much drawdown where it becomes uncomfortable. You just have to kind of wait for the move to play out itself instead of trying to get in and time the market, because it's impossible to consistently time the market. Is today a good day to be trading? Every day is a good, not every day, but I mean, it's very sideways today. There's not a lot going on. So top 5 props are like a real like alpha FTMO. Once you're funded, it's real cap with them. What do you mean by that? It's real cap or crap? I'd say the safest bet that you have is with FTMO. But it depends on your rules and how you're trading and everything. Like, yeah. So many differentiating factors in prop that you need to take into consideration. Thank you. All good. Well explained. Thank you. Can you backflip for me? Nah. I'll do a drinking stream once and I'll do it. Kaz, thank you again. How much you made today? I don't know if I've taken profit on anything today. I can check. Before the stream I hadn't, and I doubt I have now because there's absolutely fucking nothing happening. Nah. No TPs on anything. We're close. We're only in 2.5% drawdown. We're at 8.8% for the month. Hopefully a lot of these play out. Ah, fuck. Okay, we're probably gonna finish at 8.8% for the month. 8.81. Which is a decent month. I'll take that. Our average is about 7.5%, closer to 8 at the moment. But, you know, sorry, you mentioned you enter in at 0. Oh yeah, all good. How do you deal with random beginner questions like someone asking what's a Forex? Use Google. Yeah, it does get a bit like that sometimes. But it's okay. That's what, you know, I'm aware that the majority of people that come in here are probably beginners looking to learn and everything, and that's what I'm here for. That's what I've devoted my time to do, is help people, beginners and everything. But yeah, I understand that it is just a lot easier to use Google, but not everybody's, you know, advanced, or people are just trying to get into it and try it out and whatever, and they just don't know, but it looks interesting and they have the questions, and that's okay. How long does it usually take for a trade / move like that to play out? That's a great question. It just depends. You can be in and out within the hour, or you can be in, usually I'd say maybe within 48 hours. 48 hours to 4 days. It was in between, yeah, like 2 to 4 days. I can't remember. I remember looking at my average, but I can't remember what it was. I feel like it was within 48 hours. Because a lot of them, so a lot of these trades that we get into, we have a high probability of getting out in profit. Alright? What we do is we prepare and we expect that our trade is going to go wrong. So instead of placing a stop loss and then, it didn't hit our TP and we got stopped out, we drop our risk all the way down, we scale in and wait for the move to play out. And it's very unconventional to the internet, right? Like, the internet sees this shit and they lose their fucking minds because it's not some ICT scalping the fucking 1 minute being like, oh, we have this, as you can see here, we have this liquidity sweep on the 1 minute chart. So I should be expecting, I actually know that the price is going to get here due to my ICT and smart money concepts terminology, my break of structure, order block structure up to the highs, and it's going to take out my fair value gap. So that's probably another reason why I don't get many fucking viewers, is because I don't trade like a brain rot fucking idiot. Oh, my liquidity sweeps. You're ridiculous. Alf, thank you very much for following me. Best prop with highest leverage? Don't know. You have to look it up. Go on to a prop firm match. I think they have a lot of them. Do you gamble at all? Betting, racing, and wise? No, genuine question. I sometimes go to the casino, and the only thing I'll play is probably roulette. Not that I endorse that sort of stuff, but yeah, I'll jump on the roulette table. That's my favorite. I got a strategy that I like using, and it's done me pretty well. But I don't do any like betting, like, or sports games or any of that shit. Like, maybe the pokies, if I'm somewhere with some pokies, I might, throw a bit of money in, but really, Did you look up Bernie Madoff? No, I did not. Let's have a look. Bernie Madoff? Huh? Jesus. I don't feel like I've heard of this. Yeah, he had the Netflix documentary. I haven't watched it, but I have heard of him. Altino, what up? Arabic writing? Are you Arabic? I need some Arabian friends. If you're still in here, that'd be kind of cool. I need some Dubai friends. I need American friends. I need to come back in here and put my little US shit. I used to have, are you from the US? Some shit on my stream for a little bit. Hey, Tom. Eltino. It's been a while since I've seen you, actually. Wyatt. Is this my friend, Wyatt? He sent a dot. No, it's not. So the mentorship is for unestablished traders for beginners. No, it's not. You can be a beginner and go in there and learn. Like, there is quite a bit to learn in terms of like the material, like the video material I have in there. There's a couple of hours worth of videos and shit, but I like the unestablished beginner traders. I like teaching them a lot in the mentorship. Like they're good to teach, because you know it's very hard to unlearn the bullshit that you see online. It's very hard to unlearn it, which I had to do. Iron Man and Ollie, thank you very much for following me. But no, like beginners absolutely fucking get in the mentorship. Like I would prefer to teach beginners. It's easy to teach like already established, although they just have to unlearn stuff themselves. But no, almost everyone in there is a beginner. And they're killing it. What is this? Supply and demand, fair value gaps? I hate the name fair value gap. I just have to adopt it now. Yes, I've developed a expert advisor, an indicator to automatically draw in wide range bars. I'm not calling them fair value gaps. But that's just for targeting zones where I look to take profits. Sometimes, and it's on a higher time frame as well that I look at them. I just look at them kind of like support and resistance. So Forex is usually for holding longer than a day, or is that usually how your profitable trades work? It's not so much profitable trades. I'm just saying that my trades usually play out within a day or two. Sometimes it changes all the fucking time, all the time. A lot of the time they just go down, we get in, we get out straight. We don't even need to worry about scaling in. But it just depends on what that specific trade does. With the method you use, what makes you not take a trade when my setup is not there? Because my expert advisor won't take it. Hey, don't you diss my liquidity? Jesus. Al followed Iron Man, Ollie, and Malaki. I can't even read that. It's so small. Thank you very much for following me. How do you avoid getting stopped out since you are risking being in the trade for so long? I don't use stop losses. Get it right and you won't be stopped out. Do you teach specific strategy? Yes, I do. Not only that, like my strategy is I developed an expert advisor. So I developed a bot that when our conditions are met, it gets us in the trade. That. Hey man, Ali and Adi, thank you guys very much for Mala. Okay, cool. Sorry, it's so small, man. But yeah, thank you very much for following me. So yeah, the bot comes with the mentorship. So you get in the mentorship, you get the bot too. And that will take your trades for you. So it removes a lot of the psychology, but you need to know, oh, what do we have here? Sticky with a heart me and Anka. Where are you? 53K likes, let's go. What up, Anka? One of the OGs of this stream. Anyway, yeah, whatever. I'm blabbling, mumbling. What's up, bro? What up, Brad? I almost called you Matt. How do I start today with trading? Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. There's a video in there. There's a free course, which is just an hour-long video of just going through the dead basics. So join Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. What's a good starter amount for trading? Just started learning. Don't know much. Don't know how much to use. Use zero. Use zero. Start with a demo account. you start with a demo account, it's the best thing you can possibly do. Absolute best thing you can possibly do is start with a demo account. And if you're just learning, come have a chat. Message me on Discord. Message the fucking group chat. You can start with as little as $10 for some brokers, yes. If you can't flip $10, you can't flip 1,000. That is horrible advice. Don't even listen to that. Oh my god, that's horrible advice. Marla will do, but alright, yeah, man. How much does your bot make a month? On average, about 7.5%. We're on 8.91% for this month. And we're pretty much at the end. What's your strategy, bro? It's a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and a hybrid martingale. Good first moves. Good first moves on demo account. Question mark. Very first move. Good first moves on... Mala, you're going to have to help me out with that one. What? What do you mean by that? Good first moves on demo account. Very first move. I don't know what you mean by that. Sean. What's good? Another OG. We got 2 OGs in here. I love that. Hey, Ben. Hey, Ben. What's been happening? What charge is this? You're still in. I think he's asking for a strategy. Yeah, I thought so too. Okay, yeah, I thought so. But sometimes people say other shit. If I was to open one, I would do the exact same strategy as I do now. Although if I was opening one, it would probably be to experiment shit. So I would just use my strategy. I would find an indicator that we can base our strategy off. I mean, fuck, if you're brand new, Aries, what the fuck's going on here with all the fuck? What's good? Sean and Aries at the same time? What the fuck? What the fuck? Good, bro. I moved to Sydney, so I haven't been online a lot. Shit. That's not good. But congrats. Anyway, I would base a strategy off some form of indicator that gets us into the market. If you're just starting out, just on your own. If you want to learn my strategy, obviously I have the mentorship where I teach my strategy and everything to do with it. But fuck, find an indicator that gets you in and out and pay attention to fundamentals. Does your bot have a stop loss? No. I don't use stop losses. You don't need one. I do have a trailing stop. And Xander, what the fuck is going on? Are you guys in a group chat? Are you guys in a fucking group chat? What the actual fuck? What the fuck? Hello? This is fucking bizarre. That was fucking weird. What the actual fuck? So weird. Okay. Bro, how does this shit work? Go to my Discord. My Discord's linked to my bio. Open the link in an external browser because TikTok fucking hates links. And then go watch the 1 hour video on the bare minimum basics of trading. Brand new but not green, if you know what I mean. Yeah, yep. No, that's all good. Okay, yep. Aries, Mr. Rich Trader, how you doing? I'm good. I'm fantastic. I fucking love Mondays, to be honest. Fuck, I ran out. I need the caffeine. I need to get every single bit of juice out of this. Every last drop. Oh, it went all over my face. Yeah, bro. Yeah, you are in a fucking group chat. So weird. How much is the bot? Comes free with the mentorship. It's exclusive for the mentorship, guys. $47 a month, and you can have it for life after you join. So it doesn't close trade until it's green. Pretty much. Well, you can. There are settings where you can put trailing stops on and shit, but I don't use it. What's an easy indicator to learn to use it first? RSI. RSI 4 hour 80-20. And CNA hopefully going up today. I don't know what that is. AO, seen this coming. Keep going. I'm so close to. What are you guys talking about? Not again. Clicked again. I'm drinking Celsius. It's amazing. Ref, stop him. What are you guys? I'm confused. You guys like talking about something by yourselves? Fuck. Sean with the heart me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Clean up on aisle my pants. What the fuck? Uncle with 2 roses. Thank you, guys. How much cash do you take? Take? Is it all over my top? Oh shit! My turtleneck? If you're in here and you're not following me as well, you know there's gonna be some fucking problems. Top 5 lock-in? Oh, trade. Jesus, I should have just looked down 2 fucking messages. Sorry, Echo. How much money do I trade each day? I don't say my account balance. I trade 0.25% of my account per initial trade. Follow Tom. Sienna, what the? Why are you awake? Go to sleep. Thank you very much. Thank you. Must have been the win. Yeah, probably. What's the 80-20? This is like the most basic thing you can do, right? This is the RSI. You can fucking get it on like any trading platform and just set the default levels to 80-20. Oh no, that's not it. And then put it on a fucking 80-20, put it on a 4-hour chart, and look back in time on multiple different pairs at how many times it would have played out on your trades and it would have worked. Easiest, most simple fucking thing you can possibly do. You like the turtleneck? Thank you. No one followed! What the fuck? I'm back. You are back. I like the turtleneck. Sweet. Follow Tom. No, I'm not tired. I thought you charged 39 or 41, not 47. No, it's 47. It's always been 47. $47 a month. There was when I launched it, there was a discount, but that was when I launched it. Nobody has that anymore. That was like just a launch discount. And then, yeah. You can have no number one. I'm over tapping the screen. Let's have a look. You fucking holy shit. What the fuck? 3 alchemies, 17k, Meegsy. And by the way, guys, Meegsy does this manually. And I think 3 alchemy does that too. That's absolutely fucking insane. Chihuahua, 4,999. Why didn't you just do it once more? Sienna 4.2, Shay 2.4, Birchop 1,300, Dot 954, Butchie Boy 700, and the Taxman 612. Thank you guys very, 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 very much. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. I think we're gonna do a 3-hour stream. What do you guys reckon? It's been 2 hours. What platform do you use to place your trades? My broker is Black Bull Markets, and my platform is MetaTrader 4. I'm tired. I'm really tired, but I don't care. I want to be here. Go to sleep. I've had sold many funded accounts. Get rid of funded accounts. Get fucking rid of them. Get rid of them. Go to a demo account. Save money that you would usually be spending on funded accounts. Save your money, open a live account. Get 17 jobs if you need to. I'm an OG, I have to be here. You are the OG. You are the first commenter. I think a lot of people know that Sienna was the first person to ever comment on my live streams, and she's still here. That's fucking crazy. Day traders are just as unlikable as real estate agents. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, I'm ending the stream. I'm ending the stream. I'm ending the stream. I'm ending the stream. I can't do this anymore. I'm ending it. I can't do this. Are you serious? Are you serious, Jamie? Jamie, are you serious? Day traders are just as unlikable as real estate agents? No! No! What do I do? What do I do? Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious? Oh, guys, I'm ending it. I'm ending the stream. I'm not streaming ever again. That's it. That's done. I'm shutting my accounts down. I can't believe that. Are you serious? Jamie, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so genuinely sorry. I hope you're okay. Fuck, I don't know if I can recover. I'm gonna try just for you guys, but I don't know if I can recover. I'm so sorry, guys. Let's keep going and I'll try and make it up to you. I use 4 fingers. That's a lot. But you have to get the rhythm right. You struggle with 2. What are you trading? Forex. So what is Black Bull Markets used for if you're trading on MetaTrader 4? I'm confused. They're just the broker. 4 months. Yeah, I've been here for 4 months. Yeah, I'm going to do that because I've wasted so much money on funded account valuations that I've failed. You know what you could have done? You could have joined my mentorship and then became a profitable trader demo whilst saving the fuck out of your money, and then by the time that you are a competent trader, you will have money to put into the markets and you'll be all happy and amazing. That's what you could have done. Your reaction makes you even more unlikable, cocky and arrogant. No! 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 You've got to be kidding me. What do I do? Are you serious? Guys, I don't know if I can do this anymore. Jamie, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Jamie, I'm so sorry. Is there anything that I can do? Is there anything that I can do? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Is there anything that I can do? I'm so sorry. Jamie, please, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I'm just so unlikable, cocky and arrogant. I'm sorry. No, don't go. Bro, Shadow, the truth is out. Jamie, shut up. 62k likes, but no one likes you. Yeah, apparently. 2 hands. Jesus. I can barely do it with 1 finger. How do I join? The fucking links are in my bio. The links are in my bio. Oh, Jesus. I smoke a pack of cigars a day to raise my test. Same. Literally. Jesus Christ. What's going on? Doc, don't even ask. Guys, I don't think he's okay. I'm fine. Oh shit, something bad. Where do you get funded? I don't recommend funded accounts at all. Oh boy, something's gone bad here. No, how are you, Doc? Ooh, we have some Cyrillic. That's kind of cool. Wait, what did I learn today? Dobro. I can't remember this. It was something basic. Hold up. Dobro Bashalovit. Dobro Bashalovit. I won't. I'm too scared. I'm okay. I got a new job in a hellhole. Oh, God. What happened? Do you trade any crypto or stick to a few? I've got some Bitcoin and XRP, but I don't trade it. I've had it for ages. God, I'm so sorry, Jamie. Okay, now that I think he's gone. Is Jamie gone? I feel so bad for him, man. I really hope he's all good. So this is Jamie. Okay. Aaron, thank you very much for following me. Sorry, I clicked out by accident. What is black bull markets used for if you're trading on MetaTrader 4? They are your broker. So they allow you to buy and sell. Pros and cons of trading futures in crypto with $100. I could name probably a million reasons why you shouldn't do that. That's terrible. I gather Jamie lost more than his shirt. This is just so random. Like, I don't know why he got so mad that I existed. So strange. So strange. But that guy has got some knowledge. He did look very smart. I'm not going to say anything. He doesn't look okay. All right. Jamie looks like he asked girls to buy the water. I shouldn't, but I'm going to. Oh my God. All right. Enough. God, Jesus. I'm getting rid of this. All right. Let's move on. How do we not have 1,000 viewers? This is probably the most entertaining trading stream that anybody will ever get. Actually, I do know. Because TikTok fucking hates me. That just made me realize I shouldn't be here. What? Do you leverage your trades or use your own capital? Leverage, but with my own capital. But leverage. So when people refer to their own capital, they mean do you use a funded account or not? But I have leveraged accounts, yes. How do I learn to trade? Fantastic question. What you do is you go into my Discord, which is linked in my bio, the free Discord, and then you go and watch the 1 hour free video on YouTube on the complete basics, and then you come and you either join the mentorship, or you come and ask me some questions, or you go off on your own and you learn from someone else. Because you will have to learn from someone else, and you have to pick one person, otherwise you're going to get an information overload and it's going to make no fucking sense. So yeah, that's what I recommend. Caitlin, thank you very much for following me. Yeah, thanks. All good. No worries. Birdshop, I see you're in here. We're doing a 3-hour stream. I'm about to watch your video then. Oh, sweet. It is very slow. I don't talk. So I've had complaints that I talk too quick and I'm all over the place and all this shit. So I try and slow it down a bit when I'm recording my videos. So yeah. Hello, Kyla. Tom, do you think 8% monthly is standard? 8% a month is a good figure. It's just the internet has fried people's brains as to what good is in this industry. 15 years ago, if you said you were making 8% a month, or even 10 years ago, people would be like, you're full of shit. Or they'd want like serious proof. Now it's like 8% a month is terrible. If you're not making fucking 300% a year, you fucking suck at trading, which is it's bullshit. It's absolute bullshit. Oh God, why? Why not? Why not? What's this work like and lifestyle? It's absolutely fantastic. You know what? I love Mondays. Everyone else fucking hates Mondays. I love it. Mondays are fucking amazing. I love working and, you know, I get to wake up whenever the fuck I want, go to sleep whenever the fuck I want. I don't need to fucking report to a boss or drive to a job. So it's, yeah, I like it. It's freedom. It's freedom. That's what matters. Well, I work a normal full-time gig from home, so it'd be good to start learning. That's perfect, yeah. That's perfect. How do you learn to trade? I did mentorships, courses, YouTube. I did everything. Yeah. What chart do you trade? Are you talking about instrument or what time frame? I trade Forex. I trade 18 different pairs of Forex, and my time frame is 5 minutes for my entry and hourly for my higher time frame bias. But yeah, that is, if you are working from home, that's really good. And you don't feel guilty doing it? Why would I feel guilty, Kyla? Why would I feel guilty? How long did you trade till profitable? A year and a half to 2 years. What did you find most beneficial while learning? Mentorships or just doing your own shit? Well, all the mentorship, like, honestly, all of the basics is all you really need to know. And then fundamentals, which is virtually what nobody really talks about fundamentals. I have a fundamentals video that, how long does that even go for? I don't think it's like the longest fucking video, but it needs to be in there because any mentorship or course or anything didn't say a fucking thing about fundamentals. I have like a half an hour video on fundamentals, which is not enough. You need to learn more, but you kind of have to go and, it's not really like, I mean, I don't know. But anyway, my final mentor taught me, like if I didn't find him, I would still be doing retail bullshit, and I would probably never get off of demo because I wouldn't be consistently profitable. So I guess the mentorship was probably the most beneficial, but it was the actual person. Fundamentals, as in news events and interest rates and inflation, world events, stuff like that, that is important. Those are the fundamentals of the market moving. People focus a lot on technical analysis. Technical analysis is great, and you can kind of base a strategy off of technical analysis, but fundamentals help a lot. I'm always paying attention to fundamentals and what's going on. But that was a great question. That was a really good question. Okay, thank you. I'm trying to do gold M5. I made £200 profit and traded again, then lost it. Not surprised. Trading M5 on gold, if you're like scalping or some shit and you're new, you'll lose all your money. You might get lucky a couple of times, but you'll probably lose it all if you don't know what you're doing and you're a beginner. I want to give this a proper crack and do it right and not waste money and time, you know? Absolutely. Good. That's what I fucking wanted to do, and then a year and a half later, still on demo, I finally found someone that wasn't full of shit. Like sometimes I wake up at random times and I feel guilty. Why would you feel guilty? I'm curious. Let me pick your brain. What do you feel guilty about? Like with trading? What do you mean? All right, yeah. Was your last mentor Raja Banks? Fuck no. So kind of get a bias before seeing what the chart is doing. My last mentor was like basically non-existent. So kind of getting a bias before seeing what the chart is doing. Wait, what were we talking about? Yes. And not even that with fundamentals, it's where the price might go to. You know what I mean? That is something that I discuss in the video in the mentorship, in the fundamentals video. But yes, it's where the price might go to. TGR, good mentor. Oh God. Well, he made all his money from crypto, early crypto investments. He admits this. He's put it out there. He trades smart money concepts, right? It's all a bunch of fucking abbreviations and shit to make people sound smarter. I've never met a profitable long-term smart money concepts trader ever. And I know a lot of profitable traders, like real ones that aren't on the internet. And they all think it's garbage. I've never really looked into it, but I'll listen to them. So if he does that shit, then I don't know, really. But he made all his money from crypto, so, you know. What's analysis? It's analyzing the charts, right? What's happening in the charts. If indicators have met certain parameters, support and resistance, supply and demand, if you want to call it that, double bottoms, double tops, trends, stuff like that. That's technical analysis. What do you reckon I should go to other than gold? That's completely up to you, to be honest. Maybe... I mean, that's completely up to you. I've never traded gold. I've dabbled in gold, never made anything work or stick, but I'm a currency trader. So currencies, if it was my suggestion. You like potatoes? Abso-fucking-lutely. Depends on what you want to learn. With the fundamentals. Wait. Where were we at? Taylor. Yes. What are your thoughts on copy trading? It's horseshit. Don't do it. Ever. Do not do it. It's literally bullshit. I know ins and outs of this industry. Even though I'm so small, I know lots of stuff about this industry, and do not do copy trading. I don't give a shit what you do. Don't do copy trading. I feel not locked in when I wake up at random times. Do you trade or you don't trade? I don't think you do. How does your mentorship work? Do you meet with your mentees frequently, and how long does it take for people to catch on? Fuck, there are some guys in here doing seriously fucking well. Is Speedy... I mean, Watsy's in here, I think. It's been a bit of a rough go for Watsy, but I think he's learning. Is Big Wheels in here? No. To catch on, it depends on who you are. So Watsy's got fucking... He works in the fucking mine, so it's a bit more difficult for him. But some of the other guys have been killing it. Absolutely killing it. What did Big Wheels do on first full week? He's going super aggressive, but he did 18% on the first week. I don't recommend going as aggressive as he does. But he did 18% in the first week, 19.95 in the second week. The third week, he lost 1.78%, just because of the war and everything. Speedy, I'm not even going to go through Speedy's shit because he's just every week. He made a fucking shitload though. And that's, I mean, they were like brand new fucking traders. So, how does it work? I am happy and recommend getting into a call with me. You know, I don't charge for calls, and I won't at this time. Maybe if I blow up like crazy and I get fucking... I want to cap my members, but if I don't have time to be doing one-on-ones all the time, I might have to limit them or charge for them. But at the moment, this is why it's like, get in now, because fucking... If I blow up eventually, it's going to be fucking chaos for the one-on-ones, but... it's just get in front of my computer all the time. If I've got time and you've got time, just get in a call with me. It doesn't matter, and we can just go through a bunch of things, help you get set up. I have all the course material and everything. And yeah, what was the actual question? And yeah, I can talk with them whenever. If they were in fucking Brisbane, I'd meet up with people. I don't care. Happy to do that. And it's monthly. I mean, as long as you've got the fucking, as long as you're in there and paying, you have me. So it's whatever. Like, I'm not very strict about this shit because I'm not huge. I don't have fucking 70,000 people in the fucking mentorship that I have to help out. So I'm pretty chill. How about ICT? Oh my God, absolutely not. What's double bottoms? Thanks for explaining analysis. It's literally, double bottoms is just a technical term when it does this, essentially. So on a higher time frame, it would look more like a double bottom. So if we went to like H4, it would look like that, I guess. Just a double bottom. Some people will call it a W pattern reversal. So yeah, that's just basic, super basic. Thoughts on futures? I don't like how they expire. How's it bullshit? What are you talking about? Is copy trading that you get signals? Yeah, most of the time. No, sorry. I've been only in my education stage of trading at the moment. All good, no stress. What pairs best to trade for us in Australia, especially since we either have to trade early morning or late? I trade all the time, doesn't matter. You don't need to trade early morning or late. I don't care about the sessions. That's only for people scalping like New York Open or fucking London Open or some shit. For us, it doesn't matter. We're longer term traders. So it doesn't particularly matter for us. Do you mean copy trading with a website or following some dude's own trade? Oh, that's what you were asking about. Either or. Either or. You can copy people, but what happens when they're not online? You know, you need to learn stuff for yourself so you can go out on your own journey. If you're just expecting that some copy trading, it's like the services are horse shit, right? I'm not going to get into it now, but it's all bullshit. Are people learning on their own first before your mentorship, or they just jump straight into it? 50-50. Some people just jump straight into it and are completely green. Some have some experience, and I don't think we've had anyone that has like a lot of experience trading. Some that have fucked off for a while and then, or not been able to make it work and then been like, okay, let's jump into here. Now they're actually fucking making money. Man, I wouldn't get into some trading stuff with you. Good learning off another. You wouldn't? Man, I wouldn't getting into some trading stuff with you. Good learning off another Aussie. You would? Oh, I wouldn't mind. Oh, sorry. I fucking didn't read that. It's so small. Yeah, of course. I'm here. I'm always in front of my computer. I don't fucking leave unless I'm at the gym or drinking. You put in any trade, say nah. That call idea is cool. I don't know what you're talking about, to be honest. Heath, thank you very much for following me. What stock did you buy today? I didn't buy any stocks. Do I want some more caffeine? I kind of feel like working like real hard tonight. I'm feeling like putting in a fucking absolutely solid evening. So I think some more caffeine. I mean, I had 2 of these and one smaller one. That call idea is cool. Oh, that's what it was. She meant like it's cool that you're happy to have a call. Yeah, well, I mean, so I'm gonna explain this in a second. Let me get fucking caffeine, okay? I don't have enough energy. Alright, so I I struggled to want to even set this up and even like charge for it, right? I'm a nice guy. I like helping and I like getting nice messages, people saying I've helped them and stuff like that. So I didn't even really particularly want to charge people for this in the first place, but it didn't make any fucking sense whatsoever in any way, shape or form to do it for free, right? It's a lot of, I put a lot of fucking time and effort, like a shitload of time and effort into it. And even though I've done that, I have made virtually nothing, and I don't really care, but it's good to have like a little bit of whatever, but I've made virtually nothing from it. So I didn't really particularly want to do that in the first place, but that might seem like a lot of money to other people, so I had to make it as cheap as I possibly could for it to make sense for me without ripping people off with some $2,000 fucking bullshit, you know what I mean? Even though having me on hand is probably worth more than the majority of $2,000-$3,000 fucking courses, I'm just not going to do that. It's such a scam fucking bullshit thing to do. So I want to give as much value as possible. So you get the bot, you get my fucking indicators that I've developed. I've developed the bot. People charge thousands, hundreds to thousands for bots. Mine works. I put months into that thing, developing it. Ages developing my fucking indicators, and I am happy to talk to people without charge. Like, you're already paying $47 a month, which is like, I think I end up with like 60 or something after that. And like, right now it would be disingenuous to charge the people that in here, because we're a small community, to charge people extra to talk to me when the whole point of a mentorship is to mentor people. So it would either, in the future, if there's too many people wanting to come in, what I would have to do is either raise the price to something that would mean less people would come in that don't particularly want to advance, or start charging a little bit more for a call. But I very highly doubt I would be doing these fucking $500 to $1,000 per call. It would probably be like you pay a little bit, or do like tiers where you can I don't fucking know. I don't know. That is a long way away, and I don't really think we're even gonna get here because fucking of how I do everything. So that's not really in my fucking mind right now. Yeah. And do you walk people through it and how to use it, etc.? Yeah, of course. Why is it US dollars, not Australian dollars? I don't know. That was the only option when I set it up, was US dollars. He gives you everything you need and shows you how to use everything. The time he has taken to make it as simple as possible is insane. Thank you, Migsy. Migsy's fucking in there. Migsy's one of the mentorship people. What do I even call you guys? I need to give you guys a name. I don't even know. I don't even fucking know. But thank you, Migsy. I really appreciate that. That's another thing. You'd think like, I mean, there's not a lot of us, but there has been like, there's probably been like 40 people come and go. And yeah, you'd think I'd have some negative shit to say. Okay, I got like I think I got one dispute. I got one dispute, and I don't give a shit. I'll tell you guys. Like, I literally don't give a fuck. Resolution. Hopefully it's still here. Okay. It was this guy. I've had 3 disputes. One guy didn't, like, it was just horseshit. He literally signed up and then cancelled like 3 minutes later. And I think he was just trying to get the bot or some shit. And then, yeah, it was just fucking bullshit. So he didn't get his fucking refund. And it's all sales are final, but like, I'll make an exception. This guy's full of shit too. So what he did, right? He made up all this bullshit. Oh my god, it was fucked. He didn't watch, so I can see who has watched the videos and who has not watched the videos, right? I can see how much they've watched and fucking all this shit. This guy made up all this bullshit saying that he'd fucking watched everything and it was fucking rubbish. And I looked and he'd not watched a single fucking thing, right? He was probably trying to do the exact same thing where he fucking joined one of the bot and then fucked off. And yeah, it was just, I was like, what the actual fuck? This guy's just full of shit. So yeah, he didn't get it. And then there was one other guy that I gave it back to who was a guy in the mentorship and he was cool. Like, he was a good dude. But he just, it came out and then he forgot to cancel it. And usually, I mean, I don't know what the rules are against that, but I do say all sales are final. But I felt bad. Like, he probably needs it more than I do, so I just fucking accepted it. That's the only bad things that have ever been fucking said. And that was when it first came out. That was in fucking February. That's like when I kind of first started doing this shit. So, besides then, fucking nothing. And you'd think people would be in here fucking talking all this shit if I was like absolutely full of shit. How can I start? Links are in my bio. Are you talking about the mentorship because that's what we were talking about, or just starting? If you just want to start the basics, go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Watch the beginner's video. And then either join the mentorship, come have a chat with me, ask me some questions, or go out on your own and try and figure it out. Maybe do the Baby Pips course. Currently on Candlesticks Part 2. What's that? Oh, the video? Yeah, sorry, it's very slow. I was thinking about remaking it, to be honest. Where did I even put that? Sorry, I've still got that. I've been switching things up in the Discord. I'm trying to make it a little bit different. Ah, Candlesticks Part 2. Awesome. I love that. Yeah. Go online and do a random generator. What's that for? How long do you think it'll take to learn the basics and start becoming profitable? That is a very difficult question to answer. Very difficult question to answer. It's different for everyone. Like, that is a super difficult question to answer. However, because we do everything with an expert advisor, and I did the majority of the work for you guys, developing the fucking thing, which was a migraine to develop. You can, I don't want to say like straight away. I recommend slapping it on a demo account. You'll probably start being profitable pretty quickly because you can run it on full auto. I do not recommend it at all. But learn at the same time. You need to be learning like crazy whilst it's on a demo account. I do not recommend going live. Return on investments. In terms of the, I mean, fuck, man. Speedy's like the greatest example. So Speedy's a guy in the mentorship. He's been in there for ages. He's been in there for I think like 3 months or something. Fuck, how much would he have made? Like, he's probably made enough to fucking, I don't even know. He's made a fair bit. Like, he could pay for the mentorship for the next fucking, I don't even know how long. And yeah, I mean, I couldn't tell you. I honestly couldn't tell you. It depends on your account size. If you have a $100,000 account size and you get in a trade, you're gonna be fucking out of that. And with more than fucking you've invested in terms of this shit. Have you ever used AI to make trades? I did once, actually. That was a while ago. It didn't work, I don't think. I can't remember. You're too nice. Thank you, B. I fucking messaged you and you ignored me. Rude. You're not so nice. Rude. Do you know much about break and retest strategy? Yeah. A bit. I haven't used a break and retest strategy for 4 years, but yeah. Do you ever sit in a call while your mentees make trades and help them make them live and demo? I haven't done that. I haven't done that, but I'm happy to do that. Again, we haven't been doing this for very long, but yeah, I'm more than happy to do that. Hey mate, have you had anything to do with prop firms? There was someone else in the mentorship. Yes, I have. And I was thinking today, actually, about prop. I was thinking about prop and I was thinking about how I can approach it to help people get into prop, because I'm trying to push people away from prop, but it's not working. People are constantly messaging me about prop regardless. So I'm trying to figure a way that we can get into prop the best way possible. And I'm funded, but it's not sustainable. You can make money, but you got to have the money to spare. So it's, I'll work on it though. I'll work on it. When did you message on here? Nah, Discord. Yeah. Nah, I'm kidding. It's all good. I'm joking. 70k fucking likes. Holy shit. What were you talking about? I can't remember. No, I don't think so. I've been over. Yeah, I think. What were we talking about, Megsy? Do you remember? Or Sienna? What the fuck were we talking about? I think I was just like, oh fuck, is she alive? Yeah. Cause I think one of the, like a different bee, or 2 different bees came in. 2 different bees came in. And I was like, oh, what the fuck? Where's the other bee? Is she alive? Is she okay? Like, what the fuck is going on? I'm alive, alright. You know. Yeah. But no, that's good. That's good. Welcome back. I want to start trading at 13. Is it easy? I mean, fuck. 13. You can start your education. But I wouldn't recommend it until you're a little bit older, to be honest. But you can start educating yourself, yeah? You just won't be able to put any money in or anything, which is a good thing. But, you know, you're young. If you've got the entrepreneurial mindset, you're going to be alright. You'll be alright. Just try different things. You're young as fuck. Don't even worry about that. Focus on school first. So much to learn, it's blown my mind. Yeah. And the masterclass is out now too. Which, fuck that thing. Holy shit, I ramble. Like, you guys don't understand. The amount of cuts that I had to fucking do in that thing was just ridiculous. Me just absolutely fucking rambling garbage about, I just go on these fucking tangents and just go off in the fucking distance talking about all this shit. And I'm like, fuck, this is just going to confuse the fuck out of them. I need to cut this out. I need to just stick to this shit. And if they have questions about other shit, they can just ask me. Like, the amount of just shit that would confuse the fuck out of you, my brain is like full of trading shit, right? It's just full of it. I just fucking blabble bullshit. It's ridiculous. It's fucked. So I cut out 2 fucking hours of me blabbling garbage. You know how fucked that was? So it's blowing my mind. Yes. I want to know it all, understand it all. Yeah, but that's good. That's good. That is absolutely fantastic. And the questions that you have, just ask. Like, if you have other questions unrelated or to other shit, just ask. And if I don't know it, I'll go and figure it out for you. You know? Because it might make sense to a little bit more to me than it does to you. So I'll go figure it out and then come back. That's what I'm here for. I'm doing perfectly fine in school. What else should I do? Oh man, just start experimenting with shit. Start experimenting. But, I mean, consult with your parents. If you're that young, you probably should be in here, actually, if you're that young. Amelia FX, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Did a bit. I thought it was just me. It did a bit what? Wait, what the fuck did I say? You thought what was just you? Shit. What did I say? What is Forex trading? It's buying and selling Forex currencies in speculation that it will go up or down. That is the most simple terms I could probably put it in. What should I do? I'm doing perfectly fine. It's cool. What kind of experiments? Jesus, not okay. Experimenting with, I don't know, fucking get a lemonade stand or some shit. I did that. How long have you been trading? Amelia, 4.5 to 5 years. It'd be 5 years by now, surely. I'm also too young to be here, but I've been here for 4 months. Yeah, you'd be used to it by now. If you weren't the first commenter, if you weren't the first person to ever comment on my lives, there is no way that I would allow you to still be in here. What's the difference between Loxiel and Loctite? I don't even know what the fuck that is. How much do you recommend starting with for live? Well, obviously go demo for as long as until you can possibly be profitable. However, that's personal to you, you know. I get that question a lot, and it's very hard to answer. What I would recommend would probably be like a couple of grand at least. But if that's not accessible to you, that's okay. You can start with less. It's just you're most likely going to default to minimum lot sizes, and then it becomes there's complications, which you can work around. Like a few people have been starting with that price range. You could do $1,000, yeah. My personal, like I started with 20, right? That was my first account, and that sort of thing, like having that much capital to play with enables you to not have minimum lot size issues. Even like, I mean, even like, what, I think, you can do it with 1,000. My recommendation would be like 4 or 5. That's just my recommendation. You could do it with $1,000, but you know, with $500. One of the guys started with 500. I think a few of the guys started with 500, and they're doing just fine. Okay, so you're buying a currency in hope that it would go up so you can sell at a high price. Correct, yes. I'm just built different, yeah. What brokerage do you use? Blackwell Market? Yep, thank you, Migsy. let's say 1,000. Yep. How to make potato. Jesus. Is MT4 good? Yes. MT4 is fantastic. That is what I'm on right now. Tommy D and on a different level XP. Thank you guys very much for following me. 20k of your own capital. Yeah. I'm starting with $15 on Forex. I made a 7.74% gain. If that's possible, sure. Good job. What's a default lot size money amount? So if you, so let's just, fuck. How can I explain this? All right. So let's say we have $500, right? And our take profit is set to this level. There's our entry. And we're using 0.25% of our account. The calculation to get this lot size to mean that that is our TP and we're risking 0.25% of our account size. Fuck, this might be confusing as fuck for you guys. Our minimum lot size is 0.01 lots. If 0.25% of 500 for this entry in TP means that our lot size needs to be 0.003 for it to make sense, it's going to jump to 0.01 of a lot size, and it's probably, what the fuck? And it's probably gonna pump that TP down here depending on if you have an indicator-based TP or an account balance percent based TP. So if it's an account balance based TP, it will drop. If it's a if it's an indicator based TP, then it will probably stay the same. See you later, Sienna. Have a good one. Take it easy. Have a fantastic evening. Maddie! Turbo Tuesday tomorrow. It is. I'm having a turbo fucking Monday, to be honest. I'm loving it. That's why I was like, fuck it. We're having a 3-hour stream. We're at 2 hours, 56 minutes. I'm loving it. I'm fucking absolutely just going at it. And Jamin, thank you very much for following me. If you're not following me, you need to be. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? And you need to be in my Discord if you're not. What the fuck is wrong with you? We need TikTok to like me again. TikTok fucking hates me. We need TikTok to like me. I've only ever used it. I'm new to trading, so I have nothing to compare to. Yeah. That was about MT4A, yeah. So MT4 is good. It's just the older looking system, but it's functional. TradingView's more like your newer systems and shit like that, but MT4 is best for algorithmic trading. What's the best? Jesus. Could you make the same amount of money in Forex as you would in options? Probably not. With the expectation of selling it at a higher price is the foundation of speculative trading, but professional trading goes beyond just, yeah, oh yeah, you are right, but just real basic. That's basically what it is. Definitely right, Obi, for real though. Obi, oh, you said you were going, eh, Sienna? Did I say goodbye? Sorry, goodbye. See you tomorrow. I will have a good night. You have a good one also. Oh yes, I forgot. You can use leverage on Forex. Yeah. Maddie, excited for Tuesday? Which one to get? Jesus, realistically. Do you use leverage on your trades? Yep. What demo app do you recommend? MT4? Any advice for RGTI? I have no idea what the fuck that is. Only hoping it's about stacking probabilities in your favor using... Yes. Do you use a trading bot? Yes, I do. I developed my own. And it's a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion of martingale. Jamin889, Matt, thank you for following me. And user 1 million numbers, thank you guys very much for following me. I appreciate that. Yeah, banger on Monday, bro. Fucking oath. Let's get it. Let's get it. Smashing week this week. Did options as well. Had to follow you. Forgot to. All good. All good. Thank you. Bitcoin, please. We can have a look at Bitcoin, but I have absolutely zero fucking clue. There is no short-term analysis that I can possibly do because it's all bullshit. All I say all the time is 1 million people have bought it. They have to sell, take profit at some point, which they probably will. Fuck knows. Absolutely no clue. I like MT4, it's simple, yeah. I don't know what that is, SM. There is a calculator for lot size. Yeah, you can use a well, on the bot, it automatically calculates our lot size. I've coded it in there. It automatically calculates our lot size based on our account balance. How much money would you normally make starting off if I were to start today? It depends on your account size. What? Fully depends on your account size. What clothing is trending nowadays? Burkas? What the fuck? What success rate of your bot? I try and, I mean, fuck. I explained this in the masterclass video. It's so hard because we scale into our trades, right? So we can scale into our trades and get out here with TP. So that means that 33% of our trades are losing and we have a 66% win rate, right? Or we can get out up here and all of our trades are in profit and we have a 100% win rate. It changes all the fucking time. All the fucking time. So what the exact win rate is, I don't know. But it's probably around 66%. However, the basket of trades, because we're scaling in, this basket of trades is technically 100% profitable. So almost all the time, depending on if we need to scale out, if there's some fundamental fuckery going on, we usually come out with around 100%, even though we're technically losing on one of the trades. It's our entire basket of trades that is profitable. If that makes sense. That's all explained in the masterclass in my mentorship. But that means you have to pay just to watch. I don't fucking know. How much do you normally make? 7.5% a month. I did 8.9 this month. A couple months ago I did 21.22. Last month I think I did like 7%. It's around 7.5% a month. So we could call 500 minimum for start a trade. Absolute minimum, yeah. Speedy started with 500. Now he's up to like, but he adds onto it, which is the correct, he did everything right. Like he started with 500 and then added into it like every week as he was making money. So he did it the right way. And now he's up to like over 3 grand. Will there be World War 3? No idea. Normal who's, probably actually, yeah. Normal who's starting a maximum of 100. No. You'll not be making that. It depends on the time frame. It depends on the time frame and your account size entirely. 3 to 10% a month of your account size. Longest I've been in a live in ages, lol. Thanks for asking all my questions. I've joined the Discord. Awesome. No, of course, yeah. I answer everyone's questions, like pretty much. If I can get to all of them, depending on how hectic the stream is, I usually answer everyone. I like it. Picks my brain. And I like thinking. Although, to be honest, like, when I get off these live streams, I am, like, my brain is fucking frizzled for, like, I don't even know, like, an hour. I can't even, like, think. Because I'm just constantly, like, thinking, use my brain, constantly talking, but my brain's, like, fucking fried for at least an hour after this. It's fucked. But I love doing it. But yeah, of course. Thank you. I appreciate you, engaging and having a chat and everything. I love it. If it wasn't for you guys, there would be no fucking stream. What's a good site to start on? I really want to get into it. My recommendation is MetaTrader 4 and Black Bull Markets for your broker. What demo app do you recommend? MetaTrader 4 and Black Bull Markets for my broker. If you want to use my affiliate link, you can. It's in my Discord. But it doesn't really fucking matter. I've never made a single cent off of it. So, Black Bull is the broker that I was with before I even set up any of this affiliate shit. And I got offers for way better affiliate programs, but the conditions for the brokers suck. Black Bull's who I was with, so I'm just gonna stick with them. The only reason they can give you virtually nothing for an affiliate is because they're so good. It sucks, but it's whatever. Sorry if my questions are confusing. No, of course, yeah, it's fine. I'm happy to answer anything. It's what I'm here for. What would be your death row meal? Spaghetti bolognese. No questions asked. Yo, Tom, what's good? I'm good, how are you? I'm good. We've got to jump off in a second because it's been 3 hours. We made it. Thank you, Peter, for following me. What I've learned so far, your bot is a bomb. Thank you. It sucked creating. Absolutely fucking sucked to create, but it was worth it. That's my plan. Keep the profit money I make and keep adding to trades, build it up to bigger trades up the track. Yes. They're super aggressive, right? They go super aggressive on their trades, which I think is psychotic, and it will blow their account at some point. But for a short period of time, it's pretty fucking good. It's kind of worth the risk. Rockstar, thank you very much for following me. How much we haven't even gotten in a fucking call yet. We need to do that at some point. You did tell me your name, but I actually can't remember it. I prefer calling you Thor. It's manly. I don't know if you messaged me that or you put it in the introductions. Maybe not. Nobody does the fucking introductions. I hate it. Like, there's been like 40 people come through here, but there's 1, 2, 3 introductions. I need to fucking refer back to this shit. Anyway, yeah. How much do you build your live account before you start withdrawing? I don't talk about like dollar figures, so I'm not gonna say that. But it usually depends on how many open trades I have. If I have no open trades, I can withdraw. So it just depends. Rockstar and Edion, thank you guys very much. What the fuck, Speedy? What do you mean? On what? How? I was literally just saying, I don't know if you're in here, but I was literally just saying, it's good for a bit, but it's gonna blow. God, 39%. The fuck? I'm in like 2. How did you get to 39%? Fuck, I was literally about to get off. I've been here for 3 fucking hours. What's the maximum amount of trades you've made in a day? I have no idea. Oh, Speedy, what the fuck? What the fuck happened? And when did this happen? How? Eurocard. Fuck, there's a lot of Eurocards. Dear Lord. Yeah, actually, Eurocard's pissing me off. This is pound card. I literally, it tickled the nuts of my TP 3 times, and I just got spread on it, and I am in 5 positions on this, but I'm not worried about it. It's in like virtually no drawdown. I'm pretty much at break even. And I've only got to get to here to take profit. That's yesterday's low. But Eurocard is different. Hello, break even line. I restarted my VPS, so everything's a bit wonky right now. Okay, let's have a look. Is Eurocard your biggest downfall? And what, did you add manual trades on that? Fucking hell. But the 5.5 is just too risky. It's just too risky. I think you rode the wave for a little bit too long. Alright. What can we do here? Literally nothing. There is nothing to even go off of. Unless by the grace of God, you get an M pattern reversal. It's a 4 hour. It could make sense. But that's pure technicals. Alright, think. It's so risky. Because it's tomorrow, isn't it? That fucking speech day. Oh, God. What I would hope for... Wait, where the fuck am I? What is happening right now? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that makes sense. All good. Is maybe we can get down to last week's low? Very highly doubt it, because this is an insanely strong move. But, I mean, we tapped 80 and we came down. That's a good trade. Oh, sorry, 75. Actually, that would have been 80. Tapped 80, came back down. You got to hope for a double top. An M pattern reversal. You just have to hope and pray on this one. And hope the fundamentals get you back in the green. But that's if you can fucking survive that. That's fucking... Oh, God. But... Oh, God. Could this flag and then break back up? Or is this weakening? What's going to happen tomorrow? Fuck. So it's my brain. I don't know. Okay, that's EuroCAD. Oh, I got a new one. Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus. Alright, let me, fucking hell. What's the maximum trade? I don't know. Any advice where I'd start trading from? My Discord. Better you followed, thank you very much. Like, will you do a few trades, make profit, and then withdraw? Like, what's your process? No. Don't have to tell me how much you make before withdrawing. What's a good rule of thumb, you know? It's when I get flat on trades. It doesn't particularly matter. I'm not going to sit on it for a fucking year and a half, but it's when I'm in nothing, then I can withdraw. At last week's close, dropped a bit back to where it was at open. Bro, when I get my drawdown in check, I'm switching your I don't fucking doubt that. What the fuck? Dude, I could not handle that. I could not do that. Unless it was a fun account, I could not fucking do that. That would literally, I would never sleep. Fuck that. How hard are you going out 30 times? Yeah, fuck that. Push the limits a little too much. I'm switching the time settings if I make it out. We'll try and get you out. Let me go through everything. I was going to get off, but I'm going to stay on and just have a look at everything. I don't think I can do anything, to be honest. 3 trades in 3 different currencies? What do you mean? 3 trades in 3 different currencies? What do you mean that you're in 3 positions? No, three positions on the same currency. So when I say I'm in this many positions, it's usually like I've scaled into a position. They could be saying, fingers crossed you do. Yeah, fingers crossed. Hopefully we can get him out of it. Signing off, brother. Thanks for tonight. We're making an account for Black Bull and Metaphor. Mad! I'm in your Discord now. Sweet, sweet. We'll suss out the mentoring soon. You're someone I can put my money behind to learn. Awesome, yep. Whenever, bro, I'm live every day. So come in, come have a chat, come talk some shit. And it was nice to meet you. Thank you very much for stopping by and having some chats. Yeah, definitely not wasting a cent on him. He's worth them. God, you know what? So I was talking to my girlfriend last night about, we were talking about how well we were doing those like couples questions. You know, fucking, oh, you gotta jump off? All right. I'm gonna go through them anyway, and if there's anything that I see, I'll let you know. But I don't know if there's much that I can do right now, to be honest. But yeah. The only thing you can really do is deposit like a shitload more money and turn off everything and write it out. Like, that's literally the only thing you can do. Because that'll drop your drawdown down to fuck all. And then eventually they'll probably play out. So that's the only thing I can think to save that money without it just miraculously reversing everything. But yeah. You probably already know that. You know that fucking drill. Yeah, fuck. Yeah, anyway, so what I was saying, so I was talking to my girlfriend about she brought up how well we would do in like one of those couple questions, and I was like, no, I'd probably do well. And then we did I went on ChatGPT and was like 10 couple questions or some shit, and one of them was what's something that makes you smile, and mine was, I don't think she got it. I don't know if she did. Maybe she did. No, well, actually, no, she didn't. Because mine was, actually, she kind of did. It was like seeing my friends. But mine was getting like the nice messages from people, like when I do this stuff. Like, it's fucking, I don't know, I just love it. I just love it. Makes me feel like the time and effort and fucking everything that I do is worth it. 100% I believe you. Thank you. I know this isn't anything day trading related, but reports the Chinese electricity generation being 20 times. What about it? I don't know anything about that. Wouldn't that weaken US tech stocks? Probably. I don't do stocks either. But potentially, I'm not sure. I'm honestly not sure. Not gonna lie. Okay, yep. Yeah, sorry. I don't know. Potentially. No, I mean, oh, you didn't know. There's nothing wrong with that. No, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. You had a question, you asked. That's completely fine. I apologize that I didn't know. Yeah, I stick to currencies, so I don't do stocks. And I probably should know though, because I used to trade index funds, but that was pure scalping price action. So yeah. Any advice for beginners though, bro? Don't listen to fucking anyone on the internet. There's maybe like 3 people that know what the fuck they're talking about on the internet. And start demo. Start demo and focus on education from the right people. Just really dig and try and find someone that isn't full of shit, because it's going to cost you in the end. And learn about fundamentals. How is it this morning? Any big come-ups? Nothing today. We're just chilling. I'm in a bunch of positions, but we're just waiting for them to play out. I don't scalp Forex. It's day to swing, so I can be in them for quite some time. And I'm just waiting for everything to play out. Yeah, I've been doing plus 500 demo. That was actually, I'm pretty sure that was the first broker I ever started with. Years and years and years and years and years ago. But yeah, good job. Cheers, bro. We're gonna go to sleep, but say I'm a new follower and fan. Sweet. Nah, awesome. Thank you. I very much appreciate that. That's super nice of you. I'm about to jump off as well. But thank you very, very, very much. That's fucking awesome. I appreciate that. And yeah, I'm gonna jump off too. So every single one of you guys have a fantastic evening. Thank you for following me. I'm live every day, so come talk some shit. Yeah, I'm gonna jump off. This was a long ass fucking stream. This is probably my longest stream. 3 hours, 22 minutes. Thank you guys all for tuning in. I'm gonna boost. Hope you all have a fantastic evening, and I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I'll be in Discord if you need me. I'm always in fucking Discord. So, come chat. I'm actually gonna have like a fucking 15-minute break. Oh, fuck! I didn't put my fucking slow cook on. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna be eating at 4 o'clock in the fucking morning. Oh, for fuck's sake. Alright, I'm gonna go. Fuck. Alright. Sorry, Jalen, I apologize. All right, you guys have a good night. Take it easy. Good night. Meow.